Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from the Amazon and other important hiring. So first important hiring, this is a kind of paid internship for final year engineering students. So if you are final year in mandate system and IoT, means if you have knowledge, then this is one of the important opportunity. So they are inviting application for 6 to 12 months of full-time paid internship at the connected device and VR lab. So this is the company name and job location will be Bangalore. Who can apply? So if you are from the final year of BTech or MTech with excellent academic background and hands-on some experience with microcontroller or electronic circuits or firmware development, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You can just submit your resume. For submitting, just you have to click here the new link and you will be redirected to new page where you have to just provide the basic details. And friends, make sure to apply with the updated resume. Okay, so as you can see, this is the link and form will be open. So final year internship and research staff position at CDWL Triple IT Bangalore 2026-2027. So these are the some details you have to provide, and you have to basically upload the CV maximum of 2 pages. Okay, moving to next important opportunity, that is from the HCL Tech. They are hiring for the role of process associate, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. So interview locations, you can see the all details. Okay, so this is the urgent banking non-voice process. So it is non-voice process on 23rd and 24th March. Okay, and interview locations will be this, that is Solingalur, Medavakam High Road, Chennai. Okay, and these are the bar locations. Interview mode in this will be face-to-face interview. So if you are residing near Chennai, then you can just walk in there. This is also a wonderful opportunity, and these are the some required skills and things are there. So perks and benefits, cab will be provided, international trainers and world-class exposures, and salary based in industry. Shift will be Australian, so 4 a.m. to 3 p.m. will be there. So according to that, you have to basically go through it. Remember, no need to carry laptop for the interview, they clearly mention. Next important opportunity, that is from the Capgemini. They are hiring for the role of risk and finance cloud data consultant. So if you are the fresher, then you are eligible for this. This is also a wonderful opportunity. And talking a little bit more about, so these will be roles. You will be responsible for testing, and you must have some experience in API ingestion and automations, and you can just go through complete job link in the description. I will provide all the apply link in the description. Coming to last important opportunity, and this is also a wonderful opportunity which I've already provided update to. Okay, and this is related from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer 1, Amazon University talent acquisitions. So this is also a wonderful opportunity, and this will be responsibility. You will be responsible to collaborate with experienced cross-disciplinary Amazonian design and build innovate technology in large distributed computing environment, and just go through it. Okay, now talking a little bit more about the basic qualifications. So qualification will be required is bachelor's degree or above in computer science or computer engineering or related field, and you should have knowledge of any one programming language such as C, C++, Python, Java or Perl. And you can just go through complete job link in the description. So if you have some technical internship experience, then also you will be given age. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. Friends, we regularly post lots of important job update on my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe us. Recently we have posted the candidate experience who have cleared the TCS digital. So you can go through it for getting some insights of the exam. Okay, and we already posted lots of important coding questions which is asked in the previous 2 days in the NQT. Okay, and just go through it. Okay, currently Infosys Spring Boot virtual internship drive is going on, and some other hiring is still going on. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. Okay, IBM ASC hiring already been announced again, so you can apply. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.